Hey, what's up? Ken here again, and today let's take a look with the new operating system from Microsoft. This is the Windows 10 review. This is about to be released by tomorrow, which is the 29th of July. But fortunately, I was able to get hands-on with this operating system a few months ago. And right now, I'm currently running the current build, which is 10240. As you can see, you're not anymore seeing the watermark here. So it's probably the final version of the Windows 10. And I believe this is also the RTM, or the release to manufacturer version. Now, one of the most obvious changes is the start screen. A lot of people actually request to put this back. This was removed on Windows 8. We're used to it with the previous versions of Windows, just like XP and Windows 7. So I would say this is a combination of Windows 7 and Windows 8. And yeah, you have your start menu again, your application list here, and some minor changes, or major changes. So you will be able to see your most recent apps and most used apps here. Then you have some quick jumps here, or quick, I would say, shortcut here. Power button has been relocated here. Yeah, and of course you still have your traditional Metro apps and live tiles here. This was actually introduced on Windows 8. Then another change is the Action Center. Just like the traditional smartphone, you will be able to see all of your missed notifications here, and of course you can dismiss it or just clear it all. And you have your quick toggles here, turning off and on your location service, your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connection, and all of that. Then there's a tablet mode button here that when you click that will turn your PC or laptop to a tablet interface. All apps will run on full screen, and you'll see start menu is icons and start menu are a little bit bigger. And of course you still have that option to reveal your applications here by clicking this hamburger button. But yeah, let's get back to the desktop mode. Other additional features Microsoft added here is the virtual assistant. We're familiar with Siri with iOS and Google now with Android. Well, with Microsoft have Cortana. This was actually introduced when Windows Phone 8.1 was released last year, if I'm not, 2014. And they actually decided to put this on desktop. Like the traditional virtual assistant will do basic tasks. I would say Cortana is a little bit smarter and fun. And this is the home screen of Cortana. This is actually my interests. You have your Cortana notebook here, just like a real assistant. Your settings, you will be able to launch Cortana by just saying, "Hey Cortana, do an animal impression." She didn't got my message, but yeah, you get the point here. "Hey Cortana, set up a new reminder.
Okay, what's your reminder?
Remind me to post this video on YouTube."
Sure, remind you to remind me to post this video on YouTube at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Is that right?
Yes.
Sure thing.
Yeah, and as I said a while ago, Cortana is a little bit funnier and more kind of human, engaging assistant. Sing me a song.
Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me, for I come from Alabama with the banjo on my knee.
Do an impression.
Banana.
Do an animal impression.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Okay, so you're getting the point here. And of course, it's just simple task. Cortana can also do some more complicated command, just like sending email. Hey Cortana, send an email.
Who's the email going to?
Okay, but you're getting the point. Another change here is the new browser that you have seen a few seconds ago. Yeah, this is the new Microsoft Edge. Based on reviews a few weeks ago, Edge is 112 times or 112% faster than Chrome and other browser. Extension will be available with Microsoft Edge, or I would just say Edge, but it's not yet available here. Cortana also is integrated. Let's take a look here. Let's just say I don't know what anonymous means. Right click on it, ask Cortana, and yep, there you go. The same thing on Windows 7 and Windows 8. Windows 10 will be able to run different apps. Now on Windows 8, we do have two classification of app or application. You do have your traditional app, just like your Explorer or File Explorer. Then just like this, your media player. And these are example or types of Win32 apps, or the apps or application that we've been using for the past couple of years. Now, when Windows 8 was introduced, there's another type of app, what we call modern app, or Microsoft called Metro apps. And this is like an app that behave like the application that we are seeing in our smartphone. Even actually, the Microsoft Edge is one of the universal app or Metro app. But this was just introduced on Windows 10. Let's have a look on some of those applications that I'm referring to. We do have the mail, and let's see, your Grove Music, which is previously Xbox Music. Then your movies and TV, which was previously Xbox Video. The same thing with iOS. There's an App Store. In Android, there's Play Store. There's also Windows Store. And the store itself is a universal app. So you will be seeing exactly the same interface on Windows Phone and laptop, desktop, or tablet. Same thing with other platform. You can download, update all of this app. So with Windows 8, all of the app behave like you're running a tablet, so you don't have that option to minimize. So it looks like this. It actually looked like this. It's all full screen. You don't have option to minimize this one. But that was with Windows 8. With Windows 10, as customers request or consumers request, they have decided to put it back or set application or behave application like a traditional Win32 apps that you can resize and you can minimize. The app also, since this is a universal app, as I mentioned a while ago, universal app is an application that have the ability to adapt multiple screen. So as you resize the app, it changes the interface. Right now, if you have Windows Phone, this is the interface that you will be seeing on your mobile phone. Multitasking and productivity would be easier also in Windows 10. Microsoft added the task view here, which let you create an entirely new desktop. It's just like mission control on Mac, but actually it do this exactly the same thing. You can create second and third or unlimited desktop to organize your settings. Organize your applications you're running. For example, here on my computer, I want to put all my Office application on desktop number 2. So all you have to do is just click on it and drag to the desktop number that you wanted. I want to drag my Outlook there. And yeah, that's it. So when I get back to desktop number 1, I still have my running applications. And when I want to switch back to desktop number 2, and there you go, I have my Word, my Excel, and my Outlook. So it's pretty much significant, pretty much useful for those power user. This is the new photo app on Windows 10. And we do have a new settings also for Windows 10. But control panel, or the traditional control panel, will still be available. Well, that's it. There you go. I hope you will be able to download this right away tomorrow, but I have doubt you will be able to. I believe Microsoft will be launching this update tomorrow, and it will be available first on Windows Insider, which is myself, part of it. I have actually 1 year to download the operating system free of charge, and after a year, Windows 10 $419 if I'm not mistaken for Home Edition, and $199 for Pro. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please hit that button, the subscribe button or the like button. I would really appreciate that. And once again, my name is Ken. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.